In this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp new emoji custom react feature. So first of all, what you need to do is go to WhatsApp, then go on any chat, click and hold on the message that you want to react, and bunch of emojis will appear. You can slide through and choose anyone that you like, and if the emoji that you want to react is not on this list, what you can do is click on this plus icon right beside the last emoji. From here you can choose any emoji that you want. For example, let's choose a clown emoji, and it will be reacted on the message. And if you click and hold it again, now you can see in the emoji list the clown emoji is also added. So that's how you can use WhatsApp new custom emoji feature. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.